Hey there, it's Jonathan with CarGenerator. Just wanted to show you, this is an Airstream Edition car generator. Very beautiful on a brand new 2024 GMC 2500 HD Silverado. It's a beautiful truck. And I was just showing the customer, how you install this. Is the Quick Connect system. So when you order our CarGenerator Quick Connect system, this is what happens. You get booster clamps on the 1000-watt model, and you can use these as attached to the battery, and that's it. Or if you don't want to use booster clamps, this is the Quick Connect cable, and you basically just take this plug it into there, nice and easy. And then inside the engine compartment, this is the fuse box, and you can see we've got the positive that's run here. There's a 175 amp fuse in this case, and that's the negative right here, the negative jump start post. And that's it. And then you can get power. It will provide power to your Airstream or your RV. And when you're all done with it, you just take this, disconnect it, and this tucks down right inside, nice and neat and tidy. Shut the lid, and that's it. So the hood. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.